So now we are on to writing practice test 5 from Road to IELTS. This is IELTS preparation and practice. And these are the instructions. We are aware of the instructions. We have already done various practice tests. So this is the writing task 1. You are advised to spend at least 20 minutes on this. And you have to write a letter. That is, you are having problems with neighbor's animal because the fence between your properties is old and in poor repair. You want the neighbor to pay half the cost of building a new fence. Write a letter to a neighbor. In your letter, you have to say what the problems are, explain how new fence will solve the problems, and suggest that the neighbor pays half the cost. At least 150 words needs to be written. Otherwise, there will be a deduction of score. So let us try reading this. This is a model answer. This is considered to be a very good answer. So dear Harold, I'm sure you know about the problem with the fence between our properties. As you may have noticed, it is getting pretty old and it doesn't seem to be keeping your animals out of our property anymore. Several times recently, your sheep have come across the boundary and eaten the tops of all the young fruit trees that I planted. Also, last week my wife was upset because your cows trampled over the vegetable garden and destroyed her new seedlings. She is scared of your big black dog, a big black dog as well. I think the only solution is to construct new fence. This will not only keep your animals secure, but it will also protect my trees and other plants. If we had a good strong fence, I'm sure you would feel happier about the safety of your stock, and I would feel a lot more comfortable about going away for a few days now and again. I think the only fair outcome is that we share the expense of building a new fence. We could either get quotes from a couple of expert fencers or just buy the materials and build it ourselves. Please let me know what you would like to do about this problem at the earliest. Best regards, Mr. X. This is writing task 2. You are advised now to spend at least 40 minutes. This is double the weightage of the previous task. And the topic would be all over the world, the rich are becoming richer and the poor are becoming poorer. What problems does this cause? How can we overcome the problems of poverty? So give reasons for your answer and you may include in relevant examples from your knowledge or experience, at least 250 words. So first you have to start with this topic only, means you need to address that today in the world, all over the world, the rich are becoming richer and poor are becoming poorer. And you need to present the problems that only a few percentage of people are enjoying all, they are having money, so they are enjoying all the luxuries of life, while others are their hand to mouth and they are living their life in not very good condition. They have no luxuries and they're just working hard, and their labor or their workforce or their hard work goes to in the pocket of the richer. Then you have to give examples of how to overcome the problems of poverty, and the poverty can be the only way which can lead to diminish or and poverty control is that you can have a policy in which the poorer and richer can the gap between poor and richer can be reduced, and you can give some ideas about how this can be done, because this is a policy matter. You can propose a policy. So let us see and read a model answer. This answer is considered to be a very good answer. So let us read this. The latest statistics show that the rich are increasing their wealth while the poor are becoming more numerous and more desperate. This causes manifold problems for individuals and society as a whole. Although the solution may seem straightforward, they are not easy to implement. An imbalance in the spread of wealth in society result in a crippling cycle of poverty for many residents. The problems are diverse but interrelated. Crime is a major effect of poverty, especially violent crime and property related crime. Alcohol and substance abuse, although self destructive, are seen as ways of coping with poverty. Some people, or poor people, are forced to take jobs with unsafe or hazardous working conditions. In some cases, children must work to help and support the family. In addition, inferior housing and living conditions for the impoverished are common causes of ill health and disease. Waterborne and food-related diseases are rife among the destitute. Then the effect of poverty on society is destabilizing. It is the chief cause of social tension leading to riots and conflict, occasionally resulting in government being brought down, as happened in the so-called Arab Spring. Children brought up in poverty develop antisocial and aggressive behavior. There have been high-profile court cases in my country where underprivileged young teenagers have been found guilty of murder because they have killed someone in the course of an armed robbery. The solutions to poverty are simple but challenging. Governments could pose more taxes on the affluent. Uh, Unfortunately, see, it is often the moneyed sector that keeps the government in power, and corrupt officials are amongst the prosperous. There should be absolute transparency in government spending, and government must give priority to projects to help the poor. Above all, they should have access to education, training, and employment programs, living wage, decent housing, sanitation, and healthcare. Breaking the poverty cycle and readdressing the imbalance of wealth and resources with good governance will take time, but it will eventually eliminate some of the problems of crime, violence, sickness, and addiction that plague the underclass. So, this was another practice test of writing. Thank you so much. Take care.